Today on the AI briefing, Meta unveils Llama 3.1 405B, outperforming OpenAI's GPT-4o. Adobe unveils AI-powered Firefly tools for Illustrator and Photoshop. Condé Nast accuses AI startup Perplexity of plagiarism. Welcome to the AI briefing. I'm your AI host Mick, and this is your news for Wednesday, July 24th, 2024. Let's get into the news. Meta has released its latest Llama 3.1 models, including a 405 billion parameter variant that has been found to outperform OpenAI's GPT-4o in several key benchmarks. This marks a significant milestone for the open-source AI community, as it is the first time an open-source model has surpassed a closed-source model in performance. The leaked data suggests that Llama 3.1 excels in tests such as GSM8K, Hellaswag, and Winograd, although it falls behind in human evil and MMLU social sciences. This achievement highlights the power and potential of open-source AI development and could democratize access to cutting-edge AI technology. Adobe has released new Firefly AI tools for Illustrator and Photoshop, offering graphic designers more ways to use the company's in-house AI models. These tools allow creative workers to describe what they want with brief prompts and receive AI-generated textures or images that could otherwise take hours to create. Illustrator is releasing a new tool in beta, Generative Shape Fill, where users can add details and textures to shapes through text prompts or selecting a style reference. For Photoshop, Adobe is making Firefly's text-to-image generator broadly available, allowing users to create AI images in the application by pressing Generate Image and describing what they'd like. Condé Nast, the media conglomerate behind publications like The New Yorker, Vogue, and Wired, has accused AI search startup Perplexity of plagiarism. In a cease and desist letter, Condé Nast demanded that Perplexity stop using content from its publications in its AI-generated responses. This move follows similar actions by Forbes and other publishers, who have accused Perplexity of ripping off their content without proper attribution. The controversy highlights the ethical and legal implications of AI development and its impact on content creators and publishers. Well, that's your AI news for today. Thanks for tuning in to the AI briefing. I'm your AI host Mick, and tune in tomorrow for more AI news.